Hello, I'm Masaru. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Japanese-style teriyaki pork bowl. It is very common and easy to make in Japan. In this article, I will introduce 3 tips to make it an excellent dish. There are many people who don't know these tips and end up spoiling the taste, so please watch this video until the end. Please check the ingredients and quantities listed in the summary section. This channel introduces tips for making delicious and easy Japanese home-cooked meals. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Now let's start cooking. The green onions for the topping have been cut. Add green onions to taste. Japanese people love green onions, and meat and green onions are often eaten together. Of course, I love it too. First, make the teriyaki sauce for the pork bowl. Mix grated garlic, sake, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Teriyaki is originally a Japanese cooking method in which ingredients are seasoned with a sweet and salty tasting sauce made from a combination of soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, and other ingredients. Because the meat or fish is cooked by dipping it in the sauce containing sugar, the surface of the finished dish has a beautiful amber-colored luster. This gloss is teri, and yaki means to grill. This sauce is very important. Mix well. Cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. This time I cut it to about 10 centimeters. Lay out the meat on a bat, and pour the sauce over it. I'll give you the first tip here. Marinate the meat thoroughly in the sauce before grilling. This will allow the flavors to soak into the meat and give it a deeper finish than if you grill it and then pour the sauce over it. Coat the meat evenly with the sauce. Soak the meat for about 5 minutes to let the sauce soak into the meat. Now let's cook the meat. Heat a frying pan over medium-low heat. No oil is used this time. The reason is that pork belly releases a lot of fat, oil. Lay out the pork belly one by one. Here is the second tip. Brown the meat slowly without moving it much. Grill for 4 to 5 minutes until the meat is golden brown and teriyaki-like. A fragrant smell is drifting in the air. While the meat is grilling, pour the rice into a bowl. I'm starving today. Make a big bowl of rice. The amount of rice can be as desired. Turn the meat over and grill the other side. Be careful not to overcook it because the sauce tends to burn easily. The pork is grilled to a nice teriyaki sheen. This is exactly what teriyaki is. The reverse side can be done in a short time. It takes about 15 seconds. Be careful not to burn. When it is done cooking, put it on rice. Here is the third tip. Put the extra sauce in a frying pan and cook it gently over low heat. By doing this, the fat from the meat and the sauce will mix together to create a rich teriyaki sauce. Pour this sauce generously over the meat. Finally, top with green onions. The green onions are the best accent. Teriyaki pork bowl with garlic is completed. This is really delicious, so please try it. It's a truly authentic taste. Now, let's eat.